Dear self, hi, how are you today? I just want to remind you that you are loved. You are brave in being soft. Please take care of yourself. Self-care is important in maintaining a healthy relationship with yourself. Appreciate the little things. Take a long walk. Listen to music. Appreciate the nature. You are not selfish in wanting to do things on your own. Choose to build a life you don't need to escape from. Do it
Lalakad
for
po
you.
kami.
You are
Punta po
worth
kami
it.
sa
Love me.
kalsada. Maghahakot po kami ng gamit. Init.